Do one push-up right now. Seriously, 1 rep. I will wait. Done? Good, that push-up was wrong. I do not need to see it. I already know, because 95% of people do push-ups the exact same broken way. They have been doing it like that since school. Same bad form. Thousands of reps, year after year. And it is costing them everything. Their chest growth, their shoulder health, and their results. In this video, I am going to show you the 5 most common push-up mistakes and exactly how to fix every single one of them. Fix these, and the push-up goes from the most wasted exercise in your routine to the most powerful upper body movement you can do anywhere. No gym, no equipment. Let us go. Welcome back to Fitness to Go, where we break down fitness into simple, honest steps you can actually use. If you are new here, please subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a video. Now here is something that needs to be said first. Why the push-up is more important than you think. The push-up is the most disrespected exercise in fitness. People treat it like a warm-up, like a punishment, like something you do when you have nothing else. But gymnasts never stop doing push-ups. Fighters never stop. Special forces never stop. People whose lives depend on real upper body strength, they do push-ups forever. The problem is not the exercise. The problem is that you learned how to do it from a PE teacher when you were 12 years old, and you never fixed it. So you have been practicing the wrong movement for years. Every single rep made it worse. Let us fix that right now. The 5 push-up mistakes and how to fix them. Mistake number 1. Arms out like a T-shape. This first mistake is destroying your shoulders, and most people have no idea they are doing it. During a push-up, most people put their arms straight out to the sides. It looks like a T-shape from above. It feels natural. It feels powerful. But it is actually damaging your shoulder with every single rep. At that angle, the bone in your upper arm pushes into the front of your shoulder joint every time you go down. That grinding feeling some people get in their shoulders during push-ups, that is exactly what is happening. Muscles and tendons getting squeezed between bones. Over time, this gets worse and worse until one day your shoulder just stops working properly. The fix. Tuck your elbows in 45 degrees. From above, your body should look like an arrow shape, not a T shape. Arrow, not T. Remember that. This one small change removes the shoulder pain completely. And here's the surprise. You are actually stronger in this position. More reps, more chest activation, less injury. There is absolutely no downside. You were just never told this. Mistake number 2. Shoulder blades not moving. This is the reason your chest is not growing. No matter how many push-ups you do. Watch anyone do push-ups. Their arms move. Their body goes up and down. But their shoulder blades stay completely frozen, not moving at all. That is the problem right there. Your chest muscle needs your shoulder blades to slide forward and spread apart to fully squeeze. If your shoulder blades do not move, your chest never fully contracts. Every single rep is only half a rep. Every set is only half a set. You have been doing push-ups with the handbrake on. The fix. At the very top of each rep, do not just push your arms straight. Push a little further. Spread your shoulder blades apart. Push the floor away from you until you feel your upper back round very slightly. That is the part of the push-up you have been missing. That is the last 2 inches of the movement that makes all the difference. 2 mistakes fixed. Your shoulders are now safer. Your chest can finally work properly. Mistake number 3. Loose body, sagging hips. This is an invisible problem that is stealing reps from you on every single set. Most people's push-up position is soft. Hips sagging, lower back dipping, core hanging loose like a hammock between their shoulders and their feet. This is a huge energy leak. When your core is loose, the force you are pushing with leaks out through your middle instead of going into the floor. You are pushing against something soft instead of something solid. Your body wastes energy just trying to hold itself together, energy that should have gone into building your chest. The fix. Before you go down, squeeze your glutes hard. Tighten your stomach like you are about to get hit in the belly. Tuck your hips slightly under your body. Your whole body from head to toe should feel like one solid, straight plank of wood. Not soft, not saggy, solid. This is where most people get it wrong. They think the push-up is an arm exercise. It is not. It is a full body exercise where your arms happen to be the ones moving. Lock your body and your results will unlock. Mistake number 4, going too fast. This one is going to bother you, because this is why people can do 50 push-ups and still have a flat chest. Watch someone do 50 fast push-ups. Every rep takes half a second. They drop with gravity. They bounce off the floor. Momentum does most of the work. The muscles are barely involved. That is not training. That is falling and catching yourself 50 times. You could do 100 reps like that and get less muscle growth than 10 reps done the right way. Because your muscles do not count reps. They count time under tension, how long the muscle is being worked and squeezed during each rep. Fast reps mean almost no time under tension, almost no growth. The fix. Take 2 to 3 seconds to go down. Pause for 1 second at the bottom with your chest just above the floor, not resting on it. Take 1 to 2 seconds to come back up. Every rep should take 4 to 6 seconds total. 10 slow reps done this way will build more muscle than 50 fast ones, every single time. Stop chasing the number, start chasing the quality. Mistake number 5, shoulders collapsing at the bottom. This is the most important mistake on this list, because the other 4 cost you results. This one costs you your shoulders. At the bottom of most people's push-ups, their shoulders roll forward. The front of the shoulder drops past the wrist line. The shoulder blades lift off the back, and the small muscles inside the shoulder joint are holding all of the weight in a position they were never built for. You cannot feel this happening. There is no sharp pain, no warning sign, just a slow, invisible problem building up rep after rep, week after week, until one day your shoulder stops cooperating and you cannot figure out why. The fix. At the bottom of every rep, pull your shoulder blades together and slightly down. Think of it like trying to push your shoulder blades into your back trouser pockets. This keeps the shoulder joint in the center and safe. It also makes your chest work harder because the muscle starts from a longer stretched position. More growth, less damage. This is the fix that matters the most. Do not skip it. The perfect push-up. All cues in 10 seconds. Here is the complete perfect push-up. Every cue together. Hands just outside shoulder width. Fingers spread. Elbows at 45 degrees. Arrow shape, not T-shape. Squeeze your glutes. Tighten your core. Body solid like a plank. Go down slowly, 2 to 3 seconds. At the bottom, pull your shoulder blades together and down. Chest just above the floor. Pause for 1 second. Push back up slowly. At the top, spread your shoulder blades apart. Push the floor away. Upper back rounds very slightly. Squeeze. That is 1 perfect rep. If you can only do 5 reps like this, perfect. 5 real reps beat 30 broken ones every time. When 5 becomes easy, do not just do more reps. Make it harder. Slow the tempo down. Lift your feet on a chair. Add a heavy bag on your back. That is how real muscle grows. The push-up is not a beginner exercise. It never was. It is a skill. And the truth is, most people have been doing it wrong their entire life. Flared elbows, frozen shoulder blades, loose body, bouncy fast reps, collapsed shoulders at the bottom. 5 mistakes, thousands of wasted reps. Years of effort that did not need to be wasted. Not anymore. Right now, drop down and do 1 push-up with every fix mentioned in this video. Just 1. And feel the difference in your chest, your shoulders, and your whole body in that single rep. Then come back to the comments and tell us, did it feel different? We already know the answer, but we want to hear it from you. Drop a comment below and tell us which mistake you were making the most. We read every single comment and we would love to hear from you. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up right now. It truly helps this channel grow so we can keep making free content like this every week. Don't forget to send this to your friend who brags about doing 100 push-ups. They really need to see this. And if you are not yet subscribed to Fitness to Go, hit that subscribe button and the bell right now so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching. Train smart, stay strong. We will see you in the next one.